Hi there. I'm going to show you through a series of short videos about the basics of getting started using GitHub, which is a great way of managing your code. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a like and
GitHub is a web-based platform that allows developers to store their code, collaborate with others, and keep track of changes made to their code. It's a version control system that helps manage projects and track changes in code over time. One of the primary benefits of GitHub is that it makes it easy to collaborate with other developers. When working on a project with multiple developers, GitHub allows you to merge changes made by different team members. This is done by creating branches, which allow different team members to work on different parts of the code simultaneously. GitHub also has an issue tracking system that allows team members to report bugs or suggest new features. This helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the project is progressing smoothly. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for GitHub for beginners. GitHub is a code hosting platform that lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. It's a great way to collaborate on code, share your work with others, and learn from other developers. You can see I'm signing up with my login details here, and it's really easy to do this step by step. Just enter your email, password, username, and then the authentication steps to check you're not a robot. Once you're signed in, you'll see a plus sign in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and then select New Repository. Give it a name, description, choose whether it's public or private, and click Create Repository. First, open the terminal in Visual Studio and navigate to the directory where you want to clone the repository. Next, go to the GitHub repository you want to clone and copy its URL. Then in the terminal, type git clone followed by the repository URL and press enter. After that, the repository will be downloaded to your local machine, and you can start working on it right away.